Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sofia. Today we are going to make a Japanese knot bag. We need fabric, interface, rotary cutter, scissors, pins and clips, thread and sewing machine. Place the pattern on the fabric and cut the pieces. And we're gonna need 4 layers of fabric and 2 of interface. You use a rotary cutter or scissors to cut the pattern. I use the rotary cutter. Now we have 4 pieces, 2 of the main fabric and 2 of the lining. We're gonna iron on the interface on the main fabric, on the back of the main fabric. And we're gonna trim the excess interface to have the same shape as the pattern piece. Pin and sew the darts now to create the curved shape. All 4 pieces need that. We're gonna clip the bottom of both layers individually, and we're gonna sew. So we're gonna have 2 pieces. And we're gonna sew the top of the handles also together. You do the same for the main fabric. Clip the ends, sew them. Next, we're gonna keep the outer layer inside out, and we're gonna insert the lining right sides together, so both right sides are meeting. And we're gonna clip the inside of the handle, that side on the inside where the hole is. Clip and sew. Clip the curved shapes a little bit to manipulate the fabric easier. Okay. Turn everything right side out and iron the edge of the handle and pin. So we're gonna iron the edge of the handle and pin so that we can sew them neatly. Pulling tight on the fabric to create the crease. Okay. final step is to top stitch the inner part of the handle. So this would be the last step. We're gonna clip the inner part of the handle, and we're gonna top stitch it nicely, and we're done. From there, your baggie is done. Okay, and this is how it looks like. You're gonna slide the long end of the handle through the short end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Bye.